everyone, so today I'm going to be making paneer or chicken marination. The ingredients you will need is half a cup of curd, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. So you will also need some chaat masala, some red food coloring, optional, you totally don't have to add this, and half of a lemon. So let's get started. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add all of our spices in. Just like that. And we give it a good mix. There we go. We're going to add about a teaspoon of chaat masala. About that much, I'll say. Mix that. I'm going to add about 1 drop red food coloring. You don't have to add this. This is completely optional. And last but not least, we are going to squeeze 1 lemon inside there. Like that. And we're going to give it a little mix, and this is our chicken or paneer marination recipe. You can put chicken or paneer in this and refrigerate it until you need it. It will not go bad, so that's one good thing. When you refrigerate it, you can use it whenever you want. And yeah, that's it for today. Please subscribe and comment down below how it turned out for you, and see you next time. Bye!